Ex-Critizr is really important today because first of all, we need to hear what the customers have to say. Before we had some tools, but were not really helpful and useful and really well done. Today, Critizr gives us all the tools we need to listen to what they want, what they need, and to improve ourselves. We've seen a couple of times that the customer were not really happy and they've put a bad rating for the experience they've had. But in the end, because and think of the exchange with the manager or the responsible of the restaurant, they improve their rating for the next experiences because we have the historic of all the orders. And in the end, we see improvements thanks to the exchange with the responsible of the restaurant. First of all, we can see and we can study and follow the data more accurately than before, and we see that the NPS, for example, is raising. We see as well that the satisfaction is really higher, and we see that thanks to that tool as well, our teams are more involved in all that customer service approach and everything. I think the team have been super available, the team from Critizr, but as well our teams in the stores. They were fully invested in that collaboration, and so that's why it works today, because it's important for them as well to listen to the customers once again.